Okay, what I am going to tell you to do is avoid scams, and we're going to talk about common scams that you're going to get, people are going to try to sell you after you start your roofing company, particularly on the digital marketing side. Okay, one of the biggest scams that you're going to start receiving are phone calls, and it's going to be, do you want to show up on page 1 of Google? Or do you want to claim your Google listing or whatever? Guys, these are scams. If you get any call saying that your website isn't showing up on the internet, or they're saying you need to claim your listing or claim your domain, any of those things, it is a scam. Immediately hang up and block the number. If you want to use cuss words, and if you actually get somebody on the phone and tell them they're worthless and get a better job, by all means do that. I can't say that I haven't done that in the past. The point is, those are scams. Stay away from them. Do not spend any money with these people doing that. Okay, that's one of the phone calls you're going to get. So you're also going to start receiving emails for a similar thing. Hey, do you want to claim your Google listing? You're not showing up on page 1, blah, 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 blah. Most of the time, if people are having to resort to this type of marketing and advertising in order to get clients, you want to stay as far away from them as humanly possible. I'm telling you, you're going to get scammed. They're going to take your money. You're not going to get any leads. You're not going to get any work. And you're just going to waste your money, and you're going to be mad at the world. And then you're not going to trust digital marketing in general. And I want you to trust digital marketing. I want you to have a nice website. I want you to show up on, pay-per-click and SEO and have all the social media, because that stuff works, but you have to work with the right company. Okay, so that's one of the scams that are, is very, very common. Another one is if you join a lot of these Facebook groups, like I've told you guys you need to, getting in these Facebook groups and you being in these roofing Facebook groups, you're always going to have other people trying to join them and sell their services. Now, again, if someone lives in a foreign country, I recommend probably staying away from them. You can find people who will do SEO for you on Upwork and Fiverr that live in other countries. And I'm all about outsourcing, which we are going to get way into later on. We're going to talk a lot about outsourcing and saving money. But if they're having to come to these Facebook groups, I would be a little apprehensive about using them. There are plenty of people on Fiverr that you can check their ratings, you can check their reviews. Same way with Upwork. You're going to know exactly who you're hiring for these services. So if somebody's coming into these Facebook groups and promising you so many leads per month, this is also going to happen to you on LinkedIn. Guys, just be a little wary if they're happening to do that kind of marketing tactics that are probably not best. Companies that are really busy and they have a lot of clients, they don't have to resort to these kind of tactics to get new clients. So that's something also to watch out for. And I know this isn't necessarily digital marketing related so much, but if you have other contractors reach out to you wanting to partner up in some way or another, sometimes it can be a scam. So it's just something to watch out for. You also get text messages. The text messages, the common one is, hey, do you do roof repair or roof replacement in this area? That'll be a text message you get. I've had some funny conversations with some of these people that do this. Guys, these are they're bots. A lot of them are like, they're from Nigeria or the Philippines or even South America recently has been trying to market in the U.S. They're crap. Nobody's going to text you unless it's like, hey, I found your business card. Are you Sam with TRT Roofing? Can we do are you available for an inspection on a roof? That could be legit. But if someone's like, hey, do you do roof inspections in, think of a new city, Sacramento, California? It's probably not real, right? So just be careful. Do not engage in any serious conversation with these people. Just block their number, move on. Don't worry about it. And just know that these are scammers. Also, you're going to get robocalled a lot. And what's typically going to happen is you're going to pick up the phone. I pick up the phone the same way every time. This is Zach. And then if you hear a click and you're like, oh, is this business owner? And you're like, look, if it was somebody specifically looking for you, they would know the name of your company. They would know who you are. Just go ahead and hang up. I always use some choice words like, hey, don't effing call me again, and hang up, and then I'll block their number. That's going to happen to you a lot. Just be strong. You don't have to be rude. I just get rude sometimes because I get so many calls per day with that kind of stuff, and it really annoys me. But the point is that guys, just be careful. Don't get scammed. If people are trying to sell you some type of marketing services and it seems fishy or it's too good to be true, it always is going to be. Okay, trust your gut, make smart decisions, and again, email me if you got any questions.